All right, and to finish this one up, we can just take the square root of the denominator because the square root of 4 is 2, and that is the exact cosine of 105 degrees. Again, you could have used a sum, chose to use a half angle identity because that's what we're learning about right now. Now, take a look at this one, sine of 112.5 degrees. This one's a no doubt or half angle here because we're not going to add two angles from a unit circle to get that. This needs to be a half an angle because that 0.5 kind of clues me in on that. 112.5 degrees is half of what? 225 degrees. So I should write this as 225 degrees over 2. All right, half angle identity for sine. Plus or minus again. Square root. 1 minus the cosine of x over 2. 1 minus the cosine. What is our x again? Remember that it's x over 2 inside of this. So our x is 225 over 2. All right, now while I'm here, I don't want to keep writing these plus or minuses. We might as well take a moment to think about that. 112.5 degrees, that is in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, sign is positive, so we're going to choose the plus. So I can drop my minus. This is going to be the square root of 1 minus the cosine of 225 degrees is, let's see, 225, that's in the third quadrant. It's negative, that's negative root 2 over 2, like that. This is 1 plus root 2 over 2 over 2. I will multiply top and bottom by 2 again. Slide it up here. This is the square root, making sure I distribute 2 plus the square root of 2 over 4. And I can take the square root of the top, which doesn't simplify, over the square root of the bottom, which does simplify to be 2. We get square root of 2 plus root 2 over 2. All right, so added on our power reducing and our half angle identities. Make sure they're in your identity books. Enjoy working with these. We'll see you later.